So for this project I'm using medium worsted yarn and 8mm crochet hook. I'm using a much larger crochet hook for this project, so it looks so it is easy to achieve faster, and then it's easier for everyone to achieve. You can use a smaller hook if you wish, which goes to with this yarn thickness, which is 5.5 and onwards till 8. So I'm starting with the green one, and I'm gonna make a slip knot. Don't forget to look at the written pattern for all the details needed to achieve this project. I'm gonna chain 3, single crochet in the first chain from the hook, chain 1, single crochet in the first chain from the hook, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and join back to the beginning stitch. So total of 4 times single crochet, chain 1, slip stitch. Okay, now we will work in the chain 1 space. So chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the first space, chain 1, in the next space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, in the next space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the same space, chain 1. In the last space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, join to the beginning stitch or the starting stitch, and here we got the moss stitch square shaped. Now we got 4 corners and we got the spaces in between the corners. So in the corners what we will do is 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, all in the 4 corners, and the rest of the spaces just 1 single crochet and chain 1. So I'm gonna start with chain 1, in the corner single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, in the corner single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, all in the corner, chain 1, single crochet in the space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and join to the beginning stitch. And this is round 2 completed. Now I'm going to show you how to change the color. It's very simple. You put this thread here on the side, you bring this new yarn here also with the loose extremity over here, yarn over, insert the new color and continue working. Chain 1, and then you take the yarn with you to secure it and hide it under the stitches. So again, in the corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. In the corner, chain 1, in the next space, single crochet, chain 1. Oops. In the next space, single crochet, chain 1. Oops. In the next corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, and you continue the same till the end of the square of the this row. So I'm gonna come back to show you the end result and how many rows to do with each color and further explain the project. So this is how the moss stitch granny square looks like at the end, with both colors used, green, dark green and brown. And this is the end result, how many rows it is, how many yarn balls, crochet hook measurements, all of these details will be in the written pattern linked in the description box, and all the details on how to I have achieved this blanket. Please have a look at it so you get all the information. I hope you like the tutorial and the blanket and you'll try to make your own. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.